अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहु। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला आतमुन नबिय्यिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बाद। Topic is live a life. When you start to live my life, there are many problems come to you of difficulty of take victory steps. Here so many types to help your living a life. Set goal and head your dream. Practice correct it and appreciate a small take care of your physically and mentally health. Practice mindfully and living in a movement. Take time to relieve and enjoy to journey. Be true to your set and living upfront. Remember, living a life is a personal journey and it is up to you. Difficult that man's to you so go out there and make a must of it. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.